Let's read this question. So the question says that which of the following noble gas does not form clathrate compound? So there are four options: krypton, neon, xenon and argon, and we have to find out the noble gas that does not form clathrate compound. So let's solve this question. So first we will see what is clathrate compound. Clathrate compounds. So clathrates are the compounds that have noble gases trapped in their lattice. That means clathrates are the compound in which noble gas is trapped in the lattice or trapped in the lattice of host molecule. There is a host molecule in which in the lattice of the host molecule noble gases are trapped, and that is called clathrate. So if you see, generally it is dependent. Obviously, it is dependent on the size of the cavities. So generally, it is dependent on the size of the cavities of the host molecule. On the size of the cavities of the host molecule. Into which noble gas molecule fit. So in the host molecule or in the cavities of the host molecule noble gas molecules fit. That means it is dependent on the size of the cavities. So generally in case of noble gases, the host molecule is quinol. So the host molecule in case of noble gases, host molecule is quinol, and in case of quinol, size of cavities are large. Size of cavities is huge. Size of cavities is huge. That means as the host molecule or the size of cavities of host molecule is huge, because in case we use quinol, or in noble gas case the host molecule generally quinol, and it is also seen in case of zeolites also. So the small molecules, as the size of cavities is huge or the size of cavities are large, therefore small molecules do not fit into these cavities. So if we'll see the options, then in the options there is, like, if you see the noble gases, then helium and neon are small molecules or very small, like if you see the helium and neon, they have very small size and they are small molecules, so they do not fit into the cavities. That means they don't form clathrate compound. And if you see the options, so in the option there are krypton, neon, xenon and argon. So among these options, neon has very small size and also it is a small molecule and it does not fit into the cavities of the quinol. That means it does not form clathrate compound. So option B is the correct answer. Neon does not form clathrate compound, or option B is the correct answer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.